Hello everyone, my name is Tracy Telgan and welcome to another episode of Sketch with me. In this video, I'll be sketching and inking a bee. This is what the finished piece will look like. The materials I'm using are a piece of watercolor paper, 140-pound cold press, a pencil, a permanent ink black fineliner pen. I'm using a Uniball Vision needle and an eraser. To start, I'm drawing a circle and then a oblong oval with a little curve at the end for the tail area. Then I'm drawing the top wings with a straight line at the top and then some curved lines to form the rest of the wing. And then I'm doing the wings underneath the top wings in a similar fashion. I decided that the top of the head needed to be a little larger and the base of the bee needed to be a little larger as well, so I extended that out. I drew the two front legs and then I drew the antennae at the top of the head. Next were the two pairs of legs that were near the back end. I drew a couple stripes on the head area. And then I drew two small ovals, one on each side of the middle part of the back. And then I drew some more stripes on the back area. Just taking my eraser to clean up some of the lines that I no longer need. Now I'm drawing some vein-like lines in the wings. And then I added some dimension to the legs. The final step is to ink all of the lines that we just drew. And I'm doing a short scribbly line to indicate some fuzziness or short hair to the bee. And I'll use that scribbly line for the head area, the stripes, and the body. I'm just inking the legs now, and then I will ink the wings. When the ink is dry, the final step is to erase all the pencil lines, so that way we have a clean illustration. And this is the completed drawing. Please like, comment, or subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That engagement will help to support my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.